Hello, welcome to our channel for probability and statistics. In this video, we will talk about how to select a best regression model using plus residuals. So we know in model selection among alternative regression models, usually we will think about which model will best predict or estimate the mean response of the model, of the data. And experiments should take into account the relative size of the S-squared values for the candidate models and confidence interval of the mean response. At the same time, we will also consider how well the model will predict the response values that were not used in building the candidate models. So this means the model is used to predict the unused data, right? We got estimation from the current data, but the purpose of building the model is to predict the unseen data. So this idea is same as the cross-validation in machine learning. So in regression model statistical data analysis, we can use one kind of called plus residuals associated with cross-validation errors. So plus here means prediction sum of squares. If we look at this expression, delta I equals yi minus y hat I, then minus I. So here I is 1 to n for n observations. So here y hat I and comma minus I means in estimation the model, we do not use these i's of data. We use these i's of data only in the model prediction. So for example, we have 100 data observations, then we take one of them out and we use the rest 99 observations in estimating the model. Then we use the coefficients with the model estimated to predict these i's data. Then we get this residual. So this residual called plus residual. And we can use absolute value of the plus residual for each i's observation. Then take a sigma, or we can use the square, then take a sigma. So these are criteria for choosing the model based on plus residuals. And in addition, we can use the R squared, but here the R squared is called prediction R squares. So coefficient of determination, but we used delta I here. So here is a plus residual square here, sum of square, instead of SSE in the usual case. So this value is also between 0 and 1. So we take an example. So this data, 13 observations. This one is Y value and this 5 for X value. And we want to choose among best model, including some of the variables or all of the variables of these 5 variables. Then, with the plus residuals estimation from software, so we can get all these values S square, then plus absolute value of plus residue, and the sum of squares of plus residue, then R square. So from this criteria, we can choose this the best one, because this has the highest R square and the lowest of plus residuals. So which means the final model will be only 2 variables, x2 and x5 in regression. Thanks for watching.